First of all, I would like to call upon Nipun Goyal, our CEO and co-founder of Like Minds. He is our commander in chief, and he's also one of the people who was even featured in Forbes 30 under 30 for his venture Curify previously, and has been building Like Minds since over a year now. And I would like to call you, Nipun, to introduce yourself and introduce the panel as well.
Sure. Awesome. Thanks, Vishesh. Today I'm really excited because of two reasons. Of course, this very interesting panel. I'm very excited about that. And second, we have a very big announcement for the whole community industry in India. And we're going to make it towards the end. So without further ado, I want to introduce my first panelist, Shelton. So Shelton is, I've been saying it to almost every community builder I meet. Shelton is one of the, most, direct and most insightful community builders I have sort of, interacted with so far, in at least in India. And, he leads the community space community at STOA. STOA, I don't know if all of you know, but STOA is a new age alt MBA online school, and Shelton is spearheading their community. He right from designing different activities and plans to even making playlists for his community, hosting podcasts. He does it all for the team, and I'm very excited to have you, Shelton, here.
Thanks, Nipun. Thanks for the warm introduction, and I'm excited to be here and have a fun conversation.
Yeah, and we really like the flower that you have.
Yeah.
My next guest is someone who is one of the OGs in Indian community management industry. She has been I think it's her third gig as a community lead, and she her name is Ritu. So Ritu has she leads community at Next Leap. Next Leap is again an online school, but primarily focused on tech talent. I think a very strong founding team of Flipkart, and I'm sure they've raised funds, but they haven't disclosed it. Ritu leads community at Next Leap, and before this, she has led community programs at communities at Baby Chakra, which is one of the largest community of mothers in India. And between Baby Chakra and Next Leap, she also Lakshmi, which was which is a great initiative for focused on women on financial literacy. And Ritu is also an entrepreneur at heart. She had done some of the gigs around that as well, and I'm very excited to have you, Ritu, here.
Thank you so much, Nipun. Thank you so much. I just hope you're not trying to really add a lot of years here by, but then I think it's been a great journey, and the fact that we're talking about education and communities there, I'm quite excited to be here today evening. Thanks a lot.
Awesome. That brings me to the final guest today. Someone, the most exciting thing about him, for me at least, is that he's from my college, Arshdeep from Front Row. Front Row, I'm sure most of you would have heard because they've been around for a while now. And Front Row not only runs one community, they have 5 very active communities, and then they have a lot more categories and communities that they want to add. Arshdeep was someone who himself believed in the concept and empathized with the concept of Front Row, where he did a lot of passion projects, being a coder initially, working at Microsoft as an intern, moved to BCG, in one of the most coveted jobs from campus, and then moved on, to Front Row in one of the early days because he related with the problem statement. And I think he's one person who's who didn't join the organization as a community builder, but he has taken up that role. So, very excited to learn from those things around how you organically become a community builder. So, very excited to have you, Arshdeep.
Thank you, Nipun. Thank you, and really excited to be here.
Awesome. So so would love to keep the pace going. So I'll just start off with you Ritu. What role does community play in your business? Like, why is community building important?
Thanks, Nipun. So yes, what role community plays at the end of the day, none of us learned on our own. All of us learned with people, whether it was in a classroom, it was a coaching class, whether our parents sat with us or otherwise. A lot of us today sign up for self-serve programs digitally. How many of us actually complete those courses if we didn't have somebody to talk about it with? And I think that's where community plays a very important role. It doesn't just aid or enable the learning journey, it ensures you complete your learning journey. And so, for me, in a nutshell, that's where community stands. It gets you to do those things together.
Got it. Shelton, any comment on that?
Yeah, I think to add what also Ritu has said, I think the role communities play, especially in learning businesses, is that one, like Ritu said, is also maintaining that accountability, but also in long-term business goals, right? I think when you put people together in the same room where they can work on something, they can achieve their goals and they can grow personally, there's no shortage of potential over there of how many more people you can bring in to do that, right? And your community acts as sort of that network or proof of work to bring in more people who want to achieve that same results, right? Because of experiences that people have had previously with online education, like self-paced courses or self-learning programs. This is, I think, what sets it apart a bit, and which ties into your business goals.